The Bengal Assembly witnessed high drama with the Chief Minister Mamata Bandyopadhyay accusing the BJP, the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister of being anti-Bengal and blocking a discussion on harassment of Bengalis in BJP-ruled states. Leader of the opposition in Bengal Assembly, Shubhendu Adhikari, hit back, saying democracy was murdered by the Mamata Banerjee-led government in the state. Indrajit Kundu with this report.
The vote chori controversy is exploding. After Bihar, it is Bengal now. Slogans, chaos and clashes, that too inside the West Bengal Assembly. The showdown began with Speaker suspending BJP's Chief Whip, Shankar Ghosh, for disrupting Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's speech.
Please don't do it here.
While Ghosh refused to leave, marshals marched in. A scuffle broke out. The BJP MLA was injured and is now in the hospital undergoing treatment. Other BJP MLAs were marshalled out after they tore papers and raised slogans of Jai Shri Ram. Mamata Banerjee hit back with fire. From vote chori to Modi chor and BJP chor, she raised her own slogans accusing the BJP of poll fraud and corruption.
Modi chor, Modi chor, Modi chor, BJP chor, Modi chor, BJP chor, Modi chor, BJP chor, anti-Bengali BJP hatao, desh bachao.
As the injured MLA was rushed to hospital, BJP's fight shifted to the streets outside Assembly. Leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari led BJP protests, alleging Mamata murdered democracy.
All are Gunda, TMC cadre. They brutally attacked and physically assaulted and injured Chief Whip Opposition Shankar Ghosh. Instruction by Speaker Biman Banerjee, instigated by Chief Mamata Banerjee, a great thief of Bengal.
Shubhendu, you have tweeted murder of democracy.
Yes.
The Bengal Assembly meanwhile passed a resolution condemning attacks on Bengali-speaking migrants in BJP-ruled state.
And apnara anti-Bengali, you are anti-Bengal. আপনারা বাংলা ভাষাকে মর্যাদা দেন না, বাংলাকে নিচেতে টেনে নামান, আপনারা বাংলার মানুষকে কি করেন, অত্যাচার করেন।
ममता बनर्जी देश की वो मुख्यमंत्री है जिसको डेमोक्रेसी में भरोसा नहीं है। डेमोक्रेसी में जिसको भरोसा होगा वो ये काम नहीं करेगा। अब बंगाल के हिंदुओं को सचेत होना होगा, नहीं तो पूरे बंगाल को मुस्लिम राज्य बना देगा।
From the floor to the assembly to the streets outside, the fight over vote chori allegations are Bengal's new flashpoint. Bureau Report, India Today.